It's Patty Hardy here at Canyon Lake. Today I'm in Summit North on the north side of the lake. It is a gated community and we're going to take a look at this gorgeous new construction home at 1382 Primrose Path. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5, brand new 1-floor home. So come on in, we'll take a look around inside. So coming in the front door, you enter into this wide open floor plan. Take a look at this gorgeous fireplace, these beautiful ceilings, and take a look at this brand new kitchen. They spared no details. The design is beautiful. Huge island, tons of storage in this home, recessed lighting, amazing pendant lighting, beautiful backsplash. Take a look at this kitchen. Can you imagine entertaining your family and friends right here in this home? Here we are entering the master bedroom, and here is this amazing master bath. Take a look at this double vanity, and look at this gorgeous bathtub and stand-up shower. And then we've got the separate commode area and this giant closet area here. Plenty of space. When you're walking in the front door and taking a left, you've got 2 bedrooms over here and 1 shared bath. This is the bathroom, that's the hall bathroom. Here is the bedroom here, and we have this bedroom here on the other side, both with this amazing hill country right outside the window. Coming through the front door on the right is this great office space here. Huge high ceiling, and take a look at that beautiful ceiling. This looks straight out to the street here. All right, take a look at this amazing kitchen. Look at this double oven, all the features here, so much storage. But come back here, you will not believe, this is the pantry. It's kind of a butler's pantry. You have room for a secondary refrigerator, tons of space where you can put your coffee pot, any sort of appliances, as well as storage on the shelf there for the food. Over here is the laundry room area. Look at this beautiful tile work in the laundry room. I love this, and it's plenty of space, cabinets and everything. Great news, right here, there is a powder room, which is perfect for entertaining guests, and you've got the 2-car garage right out through this door.